Stanley, Scuba, Sailing, and Adventures.
I appreciate you being here with me for another Test It Tuesday. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to take a look at the FancyView Y2 AI Glasses. The case appears of quality, durable design. There's a charging port on the bottom, USB-C. And it appears the case is powered, and the case itself is a charging bank. Nice looking glasses. That appears to be the charging contact for the glasses. And I'm assuming that green LED indicates the power bank's charge. And you can see on the bridge of the nose here the contacts on the glasses side for charging. Here's the camera on the left side of the frame and an indicator light on the right side of the frame. On the top right front side of the frame, we have a control button. Between the control button and the speaker, this side of the frame, you can tap for control as well. Underneath, we have two speakers. And on top, we also have two speakers near the rear. So 4 speakers in total. The glasses don't feel particularly heavy, but they do feel sturdy. Let's see what else is in the box. Looks like we have a box inside and a pamphlet with some information, which I'll eventually get out of the box. Looks like we have some just general information in this pamphlet. What you see is what you get. And this looks like some ordering information and some specifications: all-day battery life, AI meeting recorder, real-time translations, camera, single and multi-party video calls, AI visual recognition, and some apps we can download. I'll do my best to get through most of those functions as we review the glasses. Take a look and see what else is in the box. Looks like we have a cleaning cloth, our instruction pamphlet, and a USB to USB-C charging cable. Some product information. And this looks like it's just pointing out the key components that I already pointed out to you earlier: the camera, the light, the speakers, the keystroke touch area on the glasses frame. Of course, I'll read the instructions later. Let's dig in and get the app installed, see what we can figure out. All right, we've got the FancyView app installed from the App Store. And let's take a look at the Learn Your Glasses. This will walk us through the basic operations for the glasses. We'll double click the trackpad on the right side of the frame to play some music. Then we can slide the touchpad back and forth to turn the volume up and down. During playback, we can double click to pause the music. Next, we can short press the button on the right front of the glasses frame to take a photo. Double-click the same button to start video recording. And lastly, short press that same button to stop video recording. Next, we'll enable the keyword wake up for the voice assistant. Hi Coco, what is the largest animal in the world?
The largest animal in the world is the blue whale. It can grow up to about 30 meters long and weigh as much as 200 tons. That's like stacking over 30 elephants together, and it all lives peacefully in the ocean. Isn't nature just amazing?
Hi Coco, what's in front of me?
Hey there, you're holding your phone in front of you. And right behind it is a big monitor with some cool glowing lines on the screen. There's also a keyboard, a laptop to the left, and some other stuff like a speaker and maybe a small lamp or decoration on the desk. Looks like a pretty cozy setup for work or gaming.
The voice-activated AI assistant conversation is saved and you can review it later on your phone. When you ask the AI assistant what's in front of you, it actually takes a picture and then, I'm assuming, submits that photo for visual analysis to a large language model. Here's the photo it took for that conversation. Now let's take a look at the AI translation, dialogue translation, Chinese to English, and we'll start recording.
Okay, let's take a look at January 14th. Okay, that's at the end of the period.
For that example, I was using a Chinese newscast. Now let's try the simultaneous interpretation, Chinese to English, and hit the microphone.
The spring festival tide of 70 or 40 days. Formal. Exactly. Formal. This statement. Very formal. This statement. Well, officially. Okay.
That was part of the same newscast. Press here to stop. And as before, if we hit the back button, it clears all of the recordings. We'll continue to navigate back and take a look at the AI voice guide. In this menu, I'll just take a quick look at Experience AI large language model capabilities. Continuing to navigate through the menus, we'll take a look at the gesture settings. I'm not going to test those, but it's my understanding you can use hand gestures to start recording and other glasses functions. I do want to look at the camera settings and see what my options are for video frame rate and for resolution. There's a lot to unpack here with these glasses, and I'm going through things very, very quickly, but if I didn't, this would be a very, very long video. I'll run a couple more tests on the glasses, and we'll actually use my GoPro to video and see what the glasses are seeing. Hey Coco, what am I looking at?
You're looking at a computer monitor with a small window open on the screen, showing what looks like a black and white photo or sketch of a coffee pot and cup. There's also a device on top of the monitor, probably a webcam or sensor. Not sure if you meant to ask about the content inside the window or just the setup overall. Let me know if you'd like help with anything specific.
Hey Coco, what am I looking at?
You're looking at a screen showing a soldier kneeling down and hugging a black dog, probably a military working dog. They seem to share a sweet emotional moment, maybe during a break or after a mission. The dog's wearing a harness, so it's likely on duty. It's a heartwarming scene.
Hey Coco, take a picture. Hey Coco, start video. So I've run very, very quickly through just some of the functionality included in these glasses. You can start and activate the AI assistant with gestures, with your voice, with a control button. There are many options and there's a lot of functionality packed in here. My final thoughts: the glasses look nice, they're stylish, they don't weigh a lot, they're very comfortable to wear, and there's a lot of functionality packed in here. I'm going to look forward to diving in and testing more of these features in the future.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.